guys, it's Mike here. I'm gonna do a bike check. Go from the top to the back, front to the back. We got Primo Boy grips. This one has a hole in it right here. They're comfy grips. They just wear out fast. Odyssey power ends, fit stem, painted camo. Animal MTT tire, 210. The 210 is bigger than most 210s. It's as big as my friend's Fit FAF 2.25. So that's good if you, I don't know. It only goes up to 75 psi, but I still like it. Stock fit forks, FSA headset, fit front hub, fit spokes, and Alienation Black Sheep rim. Hub guard, I don't know. And then salt peg. It's a Fit PRK 3 frame from 2009. It's actually really not a bad frame. It's pretty nice. We got the Colt PC pedals. Really good plastic pedals. I really like these. Premium cranks, not sure which ones. I think they're the lights, but yeah. Colt half link, pretty tight right now. Animal Vinny Light 23 tooth, painted camo. I really like this sprocket. Stock bottom bracket. Sabrosa Venom pivotal seat. I just got this thing. It is really sweet. Really like it. We got a stolen post. It was green, painted it black. Salt C-clamp. And moving on back, we got Animal MTT 2.10. It's a little off in the back. Oh well. And then we got the Mission React back wheel. It has the Mission hub, and then whatever spokes, and then the Alienation Black Sheep, and then Daily Grind hub guard, and the salt peg. A lot of people have shit on this, say it sucks, but it's actually really good hub. I don't know why people hate it. I think it's quite good. And then the Daily Grind hub guard, it's $20. It's not that expensive. It works real great on this. Fits just perfect. So if you need a hub guard, that's definitely a good one to get. And then it's pretty nice. I'll do like a quick sound check on it if I can get this. Yep, it's pretty good. If there is any parts that you want me to review or anything like that, tell me. Thank you for watching.